That's not gonna work. Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. So I bought a new pump head off of Amazon. So it's supposed to fit for this model pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the old one off, get this one put on. I'm trying to take this piece off before I take the rest of this off, because it might be hard to get this off when there's not something bracing it or holding it. Alright, got the unloader out, so I'm going to take the rest of this pump head out. Right there, that's, I'm pretty sure, is where the water was spraying out of. Right in there. So I think I might have a few cracks. That one there busted, and then that one down there. I don't know if I'm going to be able to find another manifold like this. I'll have to look up my model number and check the parts. But this thing might be dead. Yep, so that is definitely what happened. This manifold cracked. That's where water is spraying up out. So I guess I'll gotta look for parts for this thing and see if I can get a replacement one. Here's the old one. It's like there's a fitting down in there, and the old one compared to the new one doesn't look like it has that one. It has that, so I'm gonna have to see if I can get something to maybe pull that out of the old one and reuse it. This new pump head come with a bolt. I bet that's what it's for. Stick down in there and get that seat out. Let's see. The unloader back in here. Not shooting out the side anymore.